The first few hours after you board a cruise ship can make or break your entire vacation. Most passengers waste this golden window by rushing to the buffet, standing in long lines, or putting things off until it's too late. But smart cruisers, especially seniors over 65, know exactly what to do. These simple steps can save you money, protect your health, and unlock hidden perks that other passengers will miss. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end because the very last move could turn an ordinary cruise into the best voyage of your life. I'm your cruise travel expert, and after years of guiding senior travellers, I've seen the same mistakes happen again and again. Too many passengers assume the first day is just about relaxing. In reality, it's the most important time to set yourself up for a safe, comfortable and stress-free voyage. In this video, I'll walk you through 12 smart moves every senior cruiser should make immediately after boarding. Each one is simple, practical and designed to give you peace of mind so you can enjoy your cruise without worry. The first smart move is to skip the buffet and head somewhere better. The moment you board, almost everyone has the same idea: rush straight to the buffet. That means long lines, crowded tables and lukewarm food. For seniors, it feels more stressful than relaxing, more like a noisy mall food court than the start of a vacation. Smart cruisers do something different. They head to the main dining room where a sit-down lunch is often served with better food, table service and no chaos. Some ships even open specialty restaurants or hidden cafes on boarding day, and most passengers don't have a clue. Starting your cruise this way sets the tone for the whole trip. Calm, comfortable, and just a little smarter than everyone else. The second move is to take photos and video of your cabin before unpacking. Almost nobody does this, but it can save you big headaches later. Before you unpack, pull out your phone and film everything: the bed, the bathroom, the carpet, the balcony and the drawers. Why? Because if there's damage you didn't cause, like a broken handle or a stained chair, the cruise line could try to charge you at the end. Having a quick video protects you, just like rental car insurance. It's also a great chance to spot issues early. If the air conditioning isn't working or the fridge is empty, you can show guest services the video and get it fixed much faster than simply describing the problem. Smart cruisers protect themselves from day one. The third move is to sanitize high-touch items in your cabin. Your room may look spotless, but cruise cabins are turned over in just a few hours. Housekeeping works fast, and that means some surfaces don't always get the deep clean you'd expect. Smart cruisers take 1 minute to wipe down the hot spots: the TV remote, light switches, door handles, bathroom fixtures, and even the cabin phone. Thousands of hands touch those surfaces week after week, and nothing ruins a cruise faster than catching a bug on day 2 because of a germy remote. The fourth move is to check your cabin location for noise before unpacking. Is your room above a nightclub, under the pool deck, or next to elevators? These details don't always show up on the booking plan, but once the noise starts, you'll wish you knew. Smart cruisers walk the area right away. If you hear thumping from a theatre or footsteps overhead, go to guest services immediately. On embarkation day, they still have options to move you, but if you wait, it may be too late. Even if you can't switch, at least you'll know to prepare with earplugs or a white noise app. The fifth move is to unpack and store your luggage properly. Don't just live out of your suitcase. Unpack on day 1. Put your clothes in drawers, hang up what needs hanging, and then slide your luggage under the bed. Cruise beds are designed with space for full-size suitcases underneath, which frees up floor space and keeps the room tidy. A few minutes of effort makes your cabin feel bigger, more organised and more comfortable for the entire week. The sixth move is to complete the muster drill right away. It may not be glamorous, but it's essential. In the past, drills meant standing shoulder to shoulder on deck in the heat, but now many cruise lines allow you to watch a safety video on the app or cabin TV, then check in at your muster station. The key is not to put it off. Get it done early and you'll know exactly where to go in a real emergency. Smart cruisers treat the muster drill as the foundation of a safe, stress-free trip. The seventh move is to reserve dining, shows and spa appointments immediately. On embarkation day, prime reservations vanish quickly. Wait until tomorrow and you might end up eating dinner at 9:30 or missing out on a massage entirely. Smart cruisers make this one of their very first stops. Book through the app or at the restaurant desk right away. Crew often hold back a few prime spots for day one bookings, so acting quickly could score you the best times without paying extra. The eighth move is to meet your cabin steward on day one. This person isn't just housekeeping, they're the key to making your cruise smooth and comfortable. Smart cruisers introduce themselves, learn the steward's name, and politely ask for anything they'll need during the week, whether that's extra pillows, daily ice, or a warmer blanket. A little kindness at the start goes a long way, often coming back to you in the form of quicker service and thoughtful extras. The ninth move is to stop by guest services, not just for problems, but for perks. Sometimes, if you ask politely, you can pick up small freebies like playing cards or a ship postcard. More importantly, it's the best time to make sure your Wi-Fi package is activated and the cruise app is synced. Waiting until later means longer lines and unnecessary frustration. Doing it early saves time and gives you peace of mind. The 10th move is to explore the ship and find hidden spots. Don't just head to the pool and stay there. The first afternoon is your best chance to wander the decks, learn the layout, and discover quiet corners before the crowds settle in. Every ship has secret gems, an adults-only deck, a tucked-away lounge, or a hidden forward viewing deck that's perfect for sail away. Smart cruisers explore early so they know exactly where to go for peace and quiet later. The 11th move is to check for price drops and perks. Many passengers don't realise that prices for drink packages, spa passes and dining bundles often change once you're on board. Sometimes they drop and sometimes they come with added perks. Smart seniors always check the app or guest services on embarkation day, and if you already bought early, ask if they'll match the new rate or credit the difference. This quick step can save you money before the ship even leaves port. Finally, the 12th move, the most powerful one, is to visit guest services immediately for fixes or upgrades. This is where timing makes all the difference. If your cabin has problems like bed set up wrong, an unwanted connecting door, or too much noise, guest services can often resolve it quickly on day one, before options run out. And here's the insider move. Ask politely if there are any upgrades available. Sometimes you'll be offered a higher category cabin at a reduced price, or even a free move if the sailing isn't full. Just asking the question, are there any upgrades available today, can completely transform your cruise experience. So there you have it, 12 smart moves every senior cruiser over 65 should make immediately after boarding. By skipping the crowds, protecting your cabin, exploring wisely and asking the right questions, you set yourself up for a smoother, safer and far more enjoyable trip. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's the very first thing you do after boarding a cruise ship? Share your answer in the comments. It could inspire another senior traveller to cruise smarter. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's planning their next voyage, and subscribe for more expert cruise tips designed especially for travellers over 60 leave. And don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal the hidden cruise fees that could quietly drain your wallet and how to avoid them. Until next time, happy cruising.